Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Lenovo ThinkPad's USB-C port, you're not alone. Many users report that their ports fail to function correctly, which can lead to problems with charging and data transfer. If you leave it unaddressed, this could potentially damage your device's motherboard, leading to more expensive repairs down the line. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement USB-C port. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip your ThinkPad over and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Gently insert the plastic opening tool into the gap along the edge of the back panel and carefully pry it open, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the USB-C port. It's usually situated near the battery area and may be attached to the motherboard. You'll need to disconnect any cables that may be blocking your access to the port. Use the tweezers to gently detach these cables, being mindful not to pull too hard. Now, with the screws removed, you can carefully lift out the faulty USB-C port. When replacing it, make sure to align it properly with the connectors on the motherboard. Once it's in place, reattach the screws with a gentle but firm pressure to avoid stripping them. After that, reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are secured properly. As you close the back panel, make sure all clips are aligned and gently press down until you hear them snap into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your USB-C port for debris and avoid using excessive force when plugging in cables. Additionally, consider investing in a protective case to shield your device from physical damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.